Hello friends, welcome to the Learners channel. In this video we will going to learn about mirroring objects. As the name suggests, the mirror command helps to create a mirrored image of an existing AutoCAD object. With the mirror command, we can replicate objects by reflecting it symmetrically to a physical or imaginary line. In AutoCAD, sometimes we need to create a mirrored duplicate of objects. That is where the mirror command comes handy. Instead of creating a mirrored duplicate from scratch, we can save a lot of time by using this command. It will assist us in creating complex geometries in a relatively short period of time. Once the mirror command is activated, it will ask us to define a mirror reference line. The mirror line is a real or imaginary axis across which all the desired geometry will be mirrored. Once the mirror line is defined and the object is mirrored, we have the option of either retaining or removing the source object. You may see here the source object, reference line, mirror line and mirror object. Using the mirror command. The mirror command can be activated in the following two ways. First, from the ribbon, activate the home tab, then on the modify panel, click on the mirror button. The second option is to type the alias mi or the full mirror mirror command in the command line. Then press the enter key, the space bar or the mouse right click button. Okay, now I am going to AutoCAD software to show you mirror command. Now I am in AutoCAD software. You may see here under home tab in modify section there is mirror command. Okay, now I'm going to show you in command bar. In command bar I am typing here mi. Okay, mirror command is shown here. Okay, now we are going to learn how to mirror command works. In this exercise, we will mirror the polyline source object across the mirror line 1, 2 as shown. Let's follow a step-by-step procedure to mirror the polyline object. First, open the AutoCAD, then make sure that object snap mode is on. Now, use any of the two methods previously explained to run the mirror command. Either it may be from ribbon or it may be from command bar. Next, select the polyline and press enter or the space bar to complete the selection. When prompted to select the first point uh, of the mirror line, press click on point 1. Then specify the second point of the mirror line by simply clicking on point 2. Now, then prompted to decide whether to erase the source object or not. Select no to retain it. The command is now completed and the mirror image of the source object is created. Now I am going to show you in AutoCAD software. Now here is a polyline that I had drawn earlier. In command bar I am typing here mi, that is for mirror command, then I am pressing here enter key, and in command bar there is a notification of mirror select objects. Now we have to select the object. Okay, then I am pressing here enter key, specify first point of mirror line. Okay, then I have to specify first point of mirror line by clicking simply mouse, then I am clear second point by clicking second point. Okay, mirrors is erase source objects yes or no, we have to prompt it here no. Okay, then I am pressing here enter. Okay, you may see here the two objects, one is previous drawn polyline and another one is mirror of uh, this one. Okay, for more videos regarding AutoCAD, stay tuned with the Learners channel, and please share, subscribe this video as well as this channel, and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.